Welcome to another video at Indies Tech. In this video, I will design and assemble this omnidirectional robot buggy in Fusion 360. So I will design from the scratch by component level. So please be with me and watch the full video. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So at the beginning, I'm starting with a new design, then a fresh sketch. First, I will draw 3 circles regardless of the dimension. Now is the time to assign diameters. So this one gonna be 3 mm, quite small. 18, 24, and 60. Now for this circle, I will eliminate everything. Small mistake. This circle not supposed to be, this line supposed to be starting from here. So I have to go back. And that's gonna be 45 degrees Celsius, not Celsius, 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle. So 18, 24, and 60 is the radius. 3 mm. Now to eliminate all the lines. Even the circle. We will use the circular pattern to draw 4 of them. Okay, this is the frame arm, as you can see, where the roller will be connected. It is not ready yet. Now is the time to make some fillet. 3, again this one 3 mm. Then with the midpoint of the circle 2 mm. The distance between this and this should be 2 as well. Distance between this and this is gonna be 7. We'll draw a line in between, then a midpoint circle. Midpoint circle 3 mm. 135 degree. Another fillet of 7 mm. Distance between this and that, 8. Distance between this circle and the center line, the construction line. Okay, the line has not been created yet, so I will create the line this time. It was deleted before. So the distance between this circle should be 23 mm. Okay, look like we are all set. Now constraint off, constraint visibility off, dimension visibility off, circular pattern. Before that, I need to eliminate these lines as well. With the circular pattern. Okay, all the lines are selected. Eight of them. Hopefully it worked this time. Let's see. Okay. Good news. It's working. So our Omni wheel metal flange is almost ready. Two millimeter extrude. Convert it to the sheet metal. Aluminium 2 millimeter. Okay. Now another drawing. Okay, so 7 millimeter and distance 4.95 from the center of the circle. Now finish sketch. We need to go back to the sketch again. Circular pattern, center point, 8 of them. No bent part. Stationary side. Stationary side. I need to choose this part, but somehow it's not choosing this. Not always. Like this one, not choosing. Not this one, not this one. So all of them should be 45-degree. Then we'll go for the second time. I don't know, for some reason it does not want to choose this part, so I'll go one by one. 45-degree this one. Third try. Maybe this is the viewing angle or things like that, I don't know. Let's try again. No. As you can see, it does not always want to choose. I don't know why. If you know the reason, please leave it on the comment. No. Okay, working this time, so 45-degree. Okay, so this is our metal body part for the Omni wheel. We'll give it a name. First, we will convert from body to component. New component. Omni metal body. Not the appropriate name, but the part is working. So this is the part we have created so far. After assigning the metal property, the color look like this. As you can see, the full drawing in a presentation format. You can modify this according to your need. At the beginning of the TT motor Omni wheel car assembly, as you can see, I have already created an assembly file and I have dragged it. Now this is already grounded. As you can see, if you right click and see, this is grounded. Now I will drag this motor clamp. Motor clamp's job is to fasten between this body, base plate, and the extruder. So if I can keep it a bit further away from the 3D motor body, this is just to get the perfect position for component snap. Now the joint snap, I'll click this between two faces. This is a very interesting aspect of the Fusion 360. So basically this lets you snap between two faces. So this can align the part very precise way. We select the plane 1, then the plane 2 would be other side of the inner body, and the snap point would be this screw hole. Then the TT motor part, plane 1 would be this side and the other side. Snap point is the same old screw hole. So as you can see, seamlessly the part has already showing the preview in position. If we just click OK, so this is fastened at the moment. I will turn off the joint visibility. Now I will drag this base plate we need to put it in optimum position. Let's try from this side. And the line inside. This is the problem. If you zoom in, then the whole processing get disrupted somehow. Let's see what happens. Okay, so magically it worked. As you can see, the whole base plate is fastened with a motor clamp. So the whole base plate has been fastened with a motor clamp. Now we will drag and drop the plastic extrusion body. So if we can drag this extrusion body, then push it a bit just to get a better visibility. So this part and this part. Okay, that's what we wanted. Marvelous. As you can see, the whole assembly, the motor clamp, base plate, and the Omni wheel assembly is all perfectly aligned. Now we will create two mid plane. So one is from the mid plane between this point, this plane, and the other side of the plastic extrusion part. Okay, so this is one of them. So if we just select all these 3D part, we selected all the 3D part, then go for 3D mirror plane would be this. Okay, so for now we can see our robot buggy is taking shape. Now we will create another midplane between this plane and this plane. Now let's do it. And the other side. Okay, so another midplane is created. Now we will mirror this two side part. Somehow I can't get off this active component, so I will save it and we'll come back. All right, we can see our two plane, mid plane. So selecting this part, and the motor clamp, Omni wheel body. I'm selecting the whole body. I know it will copy one extra part. We will then delete that. 3D mirror, mirror plane. Okay. So at this stage, our car is almost ready, but we can see some extra part has been created. We'll delete this part. So I will remove this part. So this extrusion bar is here. I'll just right click and then remove. Then we will get the plane visibility off. So this plane visibility need to be off. But before that, we can see our car has taken shape. So finally, our Omni car project has got some shape. At least we can show some outcome. So this way, I was able to increase the body weight of the existing TT motor buggy. So that's all for today. I will get a physical copy of this robot very soon. Thanks for watching. I will see you at next time.